Hello! It's been way too long. I apologize. But I don't really order albums anymore because I'm trying to save money. But I also order through group orders. And that takes a really long time to get to me. And that's why I don't really post unboxings anymore. The only thing I did get recently, these are all the photo cards I have to put away, by the way. The only thing I did get recently that I bought myself, this. And by the time I got it, of course, everyone and their grandma has unboxed it already. So actually, I need photo cards from here. This is Red Velvet's 2023 Season's Greetings. And it's honestly the coolest thing because I normally don't buy oh shit, I'm sorry. I normally don't buy this stuff because I literally have no use for it, but I saw they were wearing yellow and that's one of my favorite colors, so I bought it. Like, are you kidding me? So cool. I'm sorry. I got nails. I got them literally done yesterday, and yesterday was my mom's birthday, so that's why we went out to get nails. Her little freckles. And her little freckles. And Miss Yetta. I don't know why my shit's always dusty, but it is. Oh, these were the K-Town for You pops, I think. And this is also a K-Town for You pop. I got Miss Silgy. Oh, she's my second bias, so I was so happy to pull that. I have no room for those photo cards, but I don't know if anyone remembers when these the album details came out. Joy and Yeri had the wrong representative colors, but luckily they fixed it and we got the right ones. Everyone was just like, SM, you had one job. Literally. I guess I'm showing you all of this now because these photos were the sole reason why I bought them. So fucking cute. Oh, I think this is a notebook. Oh, it's a planner. Cool. I think they have the girls' birthdays. Yeah, they have the girls' birthdays on them. So cute. Cute. detective document. I'm just gonna say I am so glad I bought this. I mean, no, I literally have no use for these photos because I can't really like put them anywhere. I mean, I can display them on my shelf, I guess, but did you also hear that they're going, or they're having a concert? I don't know if they're going on tour. They're supposed to, but so fucking cute. The freckles, are you kidding me? Oh my god, Cheerios. So cute. This reminds me of Russian roulette. And then they're always in a fucking car for their MVs. And then the flower, I don't know. I'm assuming this is a relation to their past music videos because they've been doing that a lot recently. I mean, ever since Oompa Oompa, they have song lyrics that are related to their past comebacks. I was gonna use this. I don't know why I didn't. Oh, I think I got pissed off. I didn't get pissed off. I got annoyed that the photos didn't really match. Like, in my opinion, when you make a calendar like this with a group, you're supposed to have the member where their birthday month is. And I don't think they do that here. And I'm just like, why not? We're probably more interested in the photos, hey? Like Wendy for February. Oh, that makes sense. Never mind. I thought this was March. But they should have had a unit. And just Irene for March. These, oh, wow. I should have had a group photo for August. I'm just saying, it's really not that big of a deal. I'm just weird. See? Should have enjoyed. She's so fucking cute. This outfit. It looks super good on her. I love this outfit too. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think we got our, ooh, yeah, we got this poster. And we got a poster in this concept. And we got stickers in both, not again, in both concepts, I think. No, just the one. So cute. I think you put this stuff like on the calendar. I'm not sure. I was just looking at this card, and if you're from Canada, there's this place called No Frills. It's a grocery store, and they have their own brand called No Name brand, and they're yellow. No Frills color is yellow, and all I can think about when I think of this, all I can think about when I look at this photo card is how Joy would be absolutely amazing as a brand ambassador for No Frills, because she looks so good in yellow. I know Silgy's color is yellow, but like Joy, it screams No Name brand. I don't know why, but for me it does. Anyway, the sleeves the sleeves that I use, because I'm absolutely insane with red velvet and I double sleeve them. I use the May Day Game sleeves in like standard this size, so 56 millimeters I think that is, by 87 millimeters, the purple pack. And then for my bigger sleeves, I use Apollo quiver sleeves. I don't actually always use Ideal Fit. I think I use a different one. I think I use a bigger size, because if you look, it like kind of almost barely fits the Mayday sleeves because they're just slightly bigger. I think I use different ones, but anyway, you can get these on Amazon. They're pretty good. They're not the same thickness as the Dragon Shield sleeves. I love these sleeves, but they're, first of all, expensive, and second of all, they're not on Amazon anymore for Canadians. So I use these ones. They're like the same, they're not the same thickness, but they're like pretty close. I've tried quite a few. Like I've tried the Ultra Pro. Are they in here? Yeah, I've tried these ones. Don't get these. These are super thin. Maybe it's just the ones I got, but these specifically don't. They're like super thin. I only use these for cards. Like my twice pre-order benefit cards. Did you see that? See the difference? Like, yeah, these also like they crumple, and they obviously because it's a very thin sleeve, but like you know like you can still see, but this is so much worse. Anyway, I'm not sponsored, obviously, which I'm actually kind of tempted, because these are stickers, so I'm kind of tempted to put stickers on this. People are gonna say no, don't do it, but like that's what they're there for. That's how you're supposed to use them. Maybe I'll do it off camera. birthday photo cut. Then let's do, which one should I do? Which pop? Goodbye. Ooh, let's do this one. Maybe? Yeah, I think this, well, Maybe this one instead? Yeah, I think that one matches more. Let's get that one there. And then, these are all these fucking nails. Oh my god. I've never had fake nails in my entire life. Although, like, real fake nails, not like the press-on, and I'm struggling. I'm struggling. So this is, does anyone care? I don't even know what this is. I just know this is Mumo? Mumo? I think that's what it is. And this was from their birthday lab event, I think. I'm so mad at this card because I will show you the last era Mumo card. It is fucking adorable. I bought it thinking it was actually like the album card. It is not. Clearly there's a clear difference. But this was... I don't even have it here. If I find it, I will insert a clip because right now it is nowhere to be found. Normally, I think I would put another page, but to save on space, because this is a little thick, honestly. It's a little thick. I'm gonna put them right here. Cute. This one's fake. This one is not, I don't think. Yeah, no. Yes, this one is fake too. These two are fake. And then these two are real. And then this is my little velvet section. Other section for like everyone and their solos. I'm gonna have to move her into a bigger binder because as you can see, or not, maybe you don't see. But anyway, it's super thick. Like it's becoming a problem. Maybe because Sylvie is also... No, I shouldn't. If I can find her K-Town for You pub, if I get rid of Sylvie's, that will work. But I'm a hoarder, so they won't work. Actually works. Cool. Okay. Okay, another page. It's upside down. Cool. This is gonna be a long video. Make sure you drink your water, have a snack. So cute. I'm just gonna put this where Yeti's K-Town for You pop should go. Anyway. Oh shit. Okay, fine, be that way. usually, sorry, jump scare. I usually don't collect pops for TXT, like anything I get from like group orders, I sell. But since I have my top 3, I decided I'm gonna keep them. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but see, I'm a hoarder. I don't collect, because I used to collect OT5 TXT, which was very bad for my bank account, clearly. But clearly I'm a hoarder, and I kept some of the PCs that were like either took too long for me to find. I was like, I can't get rid of these. I'm like emotionally attached to them, or just ones I liked, like the hate version. I think there's a hate version of Good Boys Gone Bad. Thursday's Child, excuse me. Also, these are fake. These are not real. Because I don't have that type of money to try to get these PCs. So they're fan made. And then my little CIX boys, which I still collect OT5 sets for, and for Wave era I did collect OT5. I'm still looking for this fucking card. I believe it doesn't exist. Like, honestly, I believe it. It just non-existent. I have hand socks. Let me tell you a story. When I was looking for Wave templates, this card was on one of the templates as an album photo card, and I was like, oh my fucking god, I am so glad I clicked hiiiiii. I can't wait to get that card. I figured out it's a POB. I don't remember what site it is. I think it's Soundwave, so it's either like extra expensive. But I was like, okay, well, I need that fucking card. Like, are you kidding me? So I bought it, but guess how much I fucking paid for it? Because I'm a dumbass. I paid $30 fucking for this pop. $30. I regret it, but also I don't, because, are you kidding me? I bought this one just as well. I think it was only like $20, and then I bought these. I traded this one, which that was super lucky, and then these I only got for like 10 or 12 on Pokemart. I was so upset, honestly. I'm so upset about it. T5 Wave. These are still the prettiest photo cards ever. So cute. Ta-da! I won all these. I pulled the Jin Young, which I traded for Younghee. But then I won all these in my group order raffle. I won them because my group order manager raffled them off for the joiners as a thank you, and I won literally all of these. My luck of that era. Okay not era. Insane. Okay, I'm going to, since this is empty now, I'm gonna put a little Younghee in this one. There we go. It's so cute. I made this on Canva because I love the free aspects of Canva. Anyway, oh, don't look at that, but that one's not that great. What's up? What fucking era is this? This is Persona. Ah, okay. This goes on the back. Because I didn't really... Because I like selfie cards, you know. I might, when I get all the cards, I might put the, like, the ones that don't fit on a 9 pocket. Because they all have 4 versions. No comment. I might put all those in a different... on a different page. I know it won't look the greatest, but I feel like it's better for the sleeves instead of having it bunch up like that. He's having it come back. I'm honestly gonna cry when he has to go to the military. I'm not gonna cry. It's not that deep. It is, well, no, it really isn't that deep because they have to do it, but I just mean I'm gonna miss his music so much. Okay. I'm a GU hoarder too. I know I shouldn't, but she's like my third bias. So any photocard pull I get from her, I keep because she's just so amazing. See? Excuse you. Oh, maybe I don't need another page. This guy. And these guys, which I usually don't keep, but I am going to. I think it. Oh my god, ew. See, I hate this one. I gotta change that. That is disgusting. There we go. Okay. Don't ask me why I put it this way, because I was thinking if I get like another pop randomly, I can put it like that, and it's like a little, I don't know, a little square. I don't know. I joined a group order for between 1 and 2, and I have everything, every single photo card for Mina, Sangyan, and Taeyong. So, but I do have some non between 1 and 2. So let me just grab those. Yeah, I didn't think that was right. As it's not in frame. It's not a me video without not being in frame and pointing it out and then not fixing it. Or it being blurry. That's also very famous of me. What is love? Feet. Twice on the bottom. Perfect. Okay. The older areas for Twice are actually like kind of hard to collect, especially Summer Night's Chaeyoung. I only have like 3 cards for her. Also, do not ask me how I got that monograph. This one. I have no idea where it came from. Ooh. Ooh. Well, no, actually. I bet you $5 Jungkook isn't holding a phone for that version. Of course she's not. That is so funny. I don't know where that went. That is a very loud truck. Do I have another version? Just the 2, okay. Good. Extras. Lunch version. I have that one. Blue one. Yeah. Okay. I usually only keep one set of Twice Pops, but I really like these ones because they're like selfies but like not selfies, so I'm gonna fit them in the back here after this one. This bitch. I think this one's the most cohesive. I think always one member that's not doing the same thing. In this case, there's quite a few members not posing in the same. So I had the right idea. Clocks. It's you. you, Chewy, and Ryan did not. They were not at the meeting at all. Cheyenne was at the meeting, but she wasn't paying attention. This photo card is so cute. Do you know, like, the holding objects set where everyone's holding their representative animal except for Diane? I don't even know if she has one because I'm a fake toys fan. Or at least just holding a plushie. She's the only one not holding a plushie. I'm sure they can find her a plush tofu. Like, that infuriates me. What? It literally can't be helped. Okay, so for Billy, my collection kind of changed. I will show. I don't know where I left off in my last video. Like what I was telling you I collect and don't collect. But anyway, so as of right now, I think I'm collecting for sure Harem, Sua, and then Suyan, and I'm thinking of still collecting Tuki wherever I can, because like she chose me. I don't know if you saw my unboxing, but like I literally pulled her set and her K-Town for You Pob, so I was like, she chose me and only me. So yeah. I'm also kind of just collecting cards I like for them, because some cards are not cute, like the green background for Gingham and Gaio, that era. I didn't like it. I really didn't like those photo cards. I'm gonna put this one as a placeholder because she was so cute. I didn't want to get rid of her. No, that's a... No. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I could have swore I didn't have that card. Okay, well, now it looks like I'm a hoarder. Whatever. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh wait, no, I think I knew that. But I bought it anyway because it came with... Oh, I don't remember. I have that card too. I don't want to talk about it. That's so embarrassing for me. Put this guy here. I have two girlies. What? Okay, I think that one goes here. Guess I do not. is why. Okay. That makes sense. But then where do the other ones go? Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. Where did you come from? I don't know. I don't know, man. Okay, where to put these cards? Ah, here we go. I just need one more hook card. Hook? One hook card. Oh my god, he's so pretty. And then two live. Probably end up selling them because they do not match this page at all. Aha. So I no longer collect Kazuha for the set of them, but if the card's cute, I'm keeping it. As you can tell by this, only these two cards. And then I got well, this one was a gift from my group order manager because she got missing either photo cards or pobs, so they gifted me this. So now she's staying in my collection because I feel like an asshole if I get rid of it. And this Sakura card is fucking adorable. She's like my third bias, and so as you know by my Silgi hoarding and my other hoarding, I can't get rid of her unless I'm like full on not attached to it anymore, which I still am. So my Kai collection is going kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay. I have no idea where these are supposed to go. Ooh. I think this is supposed to go there though. Oh yeah, fuck. I hate these little binders, unfortunately. Oh shit. Oh. Where did that come from? This one, okay. Is this one this way? Oh my god, the struggle. This is so embarrassing. Okay, there we go. Oh my fucking god. And then this guy. Glasses. Yellow flip. Black fit. Black fit? We'll try that. Oh, that's horrible. Yeah. Sure. So, yeah, this one. Oh, shit. Okay, finally done with that. Oof. After like took me so long, I still don't have, I think the jewel case version. I don't want to get it. It's not the prettiest photo card of hers. Yeah, there we go. Oh shit. There. I hope you guys like my singing. No one else hears it but you. Ah, perfect. Here we go. I wanted to collect POVs for Una for CSR, but they're kind of expensive if you don't get them right away. So I'm just collecting what I can. Like if I join a group order, that's if I keep it, if I keep it. If I don't, I don't, you know? He's back here. Yeah, here we go. Also, I was trying to get rid of this card and no one wanted it, so now I'm just gonna keep it. Why are we crooked? It's not you, it's me, for sure. And then we are. Also, I dropped my dripping collection. I was collecting Minso from dripping. I still love dripping, but I was just like, I can't. My poor bank account, I can't. And of course, I do not know. I do not remember which version these go in. So, we're just gonna. I have more of these on the way, but my GOM is my group order manager. That's what GOM stands for. Is busy. There's no other beers. Passion. Sure. These are the wrong versions. I know. Don't worry about it. I know. I don't know where. I don't know where else to put them because I don't remember. This isn't a paw, but I'm gonna put it here because I fucking hate ID cards. My friend absolutely loves ID cards for whatever reason. She's a special breed. I love her dearly, but oh my gosh. I hate ID cards. That was it. I hope this video isn't too long. I am so sorry if it is, and I'm so sorry for not posting. I just, like I said in the beginning, I don't really buy albums anymore, and if I do, I join group orders to make it like less expensive. And sometimes I don't even like get the album itself. I just get the photo cards, and it takes quite a while for the orders to arrive and to send out to me, so that's why I don't post much anymore. I am so sorry. Maybe I'll try to post other content like me decorating photo cards or packing photo cards, or just try to find like a happy medium with this channel, because I miss making videos. I miss talking my ass off, your ear off. I miss it. I miss you guys. I miss actually using my computer that I paid $112,000 for, like $1,200 for. It's an Apple computer. I do not recommend Apple products. Please, for the love of God, never buy an Apple computer. Oh my God, they're a piece of shit. But yeah, so yeah, that is why I don't post. I am so sorry if you guys wait for my videos. That is so cute of you, but please don't. Because they won't come, because I can't afford K-pop anymore. I try to do the best I can, but K-pop is expensive, especially if you're Canadian. Not especially if you don't live either in America or South Korea. It is expensive. So yeah. But I hope to see you guys soon. If you have any content suggestions, please let me know and I will gladly try to do them, okay? Alright, I will see you hopefully in the next video. I will hopefully see you soon. That's what I meant to say. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. Alright. I'll hopefully see you soon. Alright, bye.